The Meadows is a brand new development for Westcraft. We get a lot of people that are coming in to be close to the amenities.
It's right across from the Kidsports. It's right next to Flathead Valley Community College. It has all the benefits of Northland in terms of location, but what it has that Northland doesn't have is that complete low maintenance living.
It's for the person that doesn't want that outdoor yard work. They want to be able to turnkey, lock up their home, leave, and go wherever.
So we've created some different floor plans. We have townhomes and then we have duplexes, and we have some single level places which are unique for the Meadows. They haven't had that before. People that want the ranch style living, we're gonna offer that for them. And they have the clubhouse with the kitchen, and the owners can use that there, which is nice. They've got this beautiful outdoor barbecue area, so we'll have a lot of variety.